Viral, viral, viral. Everyone wants to go viral, right from Instagram reel to everyone. And just look at these cake. They also want to go viral. So I have brought you a very amazing course of viral butter cake. Hello friends, this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Om Sai Cooking Classes. All these cakes are 100% eggless and they are so soft like a cotton. And this course is available both in Hindi and English languages. So let's see what are the variety of cakes you are going to learn in this course. So this is vanilla butter cake. All these butter cakes are very soft, spongy and light like cotton. Even though this is eggless, but when you taste it, you won't feel it's eggless at all. It's that soft and delicious. Then this is marble butter cake. In this class, I will give you both 250 gram and 500 gram recipe. So it becomes very easy to work out. Whenever you get an order, you easily make exact 250 or 500 gram cake. Then this is red velvet butter cake. We have more than 300 plus online courses which we have designed in such a way that after joining our any online course, you can make all the dishes for home purpose or even you can start a small business from home. We have more than lakhs of students from India and all over the world who have joined our online courses and they are doing so well. They are doing home-based businesses. And if every time after watching my video you feel that you want to do something, achieve something, but still you haven't actually started anything, then take the first step today. First check our menu card, check the list and then decide which course you want to join. Just try joining a single course. Because our fees are so affordable that even a single visit to a restaurant often costs more. If you can start something of your own, which with a small investment, then what could be better than that? And so what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, call our number and take all the details for the classes. Then this is chocolate butter cake. Then this is lemon butter cake. One more thing, please check the description box. I have given you the contact number. Download our app. If you want to buy the classes, everything is given in the description box. So please check our description box. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. When you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF, video for lifetime access, then certificate. And if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So first lucky winner is Zarina Sheikh and second is Anamika Chowre. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.